All right, so we've got some spilled paint on the concrete here, and we're going to use a little bit of acetone, a steel brush, and a little bit of water, along with some elbow grease to get this off. And sometimes it comes right up, and sometimes it takes a little bit of finessing and a few coats to do it. But let's see how good this is going to work. I'm a little liberal with it at first, and then we're going to just continue to repeat the process. That's coming up pretty nicely right there. Rinse it away so we can see what we're looking at here. Nail polish remover or 100% acetone works as well.
If the paint is pretty thick in some areas, then you are going to have to put a lot of pressure on that wire brush. You may have to press down a little bit harder in some areas than others, in addition to repeating the process of pouring some acetone on, scraping it off, rinsing it to see how much has come off, and then just continuing to repeat that process until it's gone. But as you'll see here, it takes a little bit of effort, but it eventually all comes up. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on those notifications. It greatly helps me as a content creator, and I always look forward to being a resource for you in the future.